Yellow. Roller, go slow, we're like a polo. Up and down the pole like you're going up a yo-yo. Roller, go slow, we're like a polo. Up and down the pole.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a video on like skin prep and how I prep my skin before I put on my makeup. But since I just got out the shower, I'm going to actually wrap my hair up so my edges can stay laid. First thing I like to do is I like to moisturize my face. So I use the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. It's a salicylic acid, I don't know. But all I know is that this moisturizes dry skin and it helps prevent pimples, which I feel is true because like whenever I get a bump on my face or whatever, I'll like definitely worry about that part more than I worry about the other part. So the next thing I like to do is I like to use my Aloe Pure Skincare Time Repair Serum. I got this in my BoxyCharm box, and it says smooths away appearance of lines and wrinkles with age-defying green tea extract and alpha and beta hydroxy acids. Listen, I've had this for a long time, so they're kind of like the words are kind of like it's sharp or whatever. Anything that I want tight and right, I put it on.
Alarms go off when I enter the.
And I do like to be a little extra and use some Argan plus vitamin E oil. Yes, from Pearl Essence, and it's a balancing facial oil. So I do that. I met a girl with Mary Kay, and she was like, "Oh no, you're not supposed to put like oil on your face, you know, caustic pores, da da da." Listen, look, like I said, whatever mumbo jumbo works for me, works for me. What doesn't work for other people, like, it doesn't work for other people. I have combination skin. I do the oil just because it makes my skin feel like it's glowing. Like, I feel like I'm glowing. And I love the way my skin looks after that. Like, so then the next step that I do is I'll take my Mario Badescu Skincare facial spray. And I like the one with the cucumber and green tea. Basically, all I'll do is I'll just take it and I'll just spray it all over my face.
Alarms go off when I enter the building.
I'm gonna just rub that in my face. So I really never had like a problem when it came to acne or anything like that. Like when I hit puberty, like I was good, like shorty, I was real good. But that is basically how I prep my face before I do my makeup. And I noticed like when I do use the oil and I do apply my foundation, it makes a difference. I also feel like it depends on your foundation too, because like certain foundations, like, sorry, I gotta beat this up. Okay, so like right now I'm gonna be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid, and I'm using it actually in the color NC50.
Alarms go off when I enter the building.
Okay, so I've added a light coat of foundation on my face. So now I'm going to be using my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Long Wear Concealer in the color Tan Says Dark Warm. It's number 11. Sorry y'all, this stick is amazing. Like, it glides so smooth. This concealer, like, I don't feel like it moves a lot. Literally just stays in place. Like, I don't feel like this concealer is separate. So now that I look like a ghost, I'm gonna do my nose. Now I'm gonna get just a little bit of my chin. And guys, with this concealer, a little bit goes a long way. Oh my, yo, no, like y'all really gotta see this. I literally just opened it up and like it's a freaking mess. Like seriously. Anyways, so now I'm going to set my under eye with my Airspun powder. That done pissed me off. The thing about this sponge is that the top little small part, it's like slanted, like this part, like this side is slanted, so the top part's slanted too, so then like I can get under my eye.
Sounds go off when I enter the.
So now for my eyes, I'm going to be doing something very simple. I'm going to take one of my brushes, but it's like a brown turquoise color, and I like it. Color right here is like amazing on my lids.
Sounds go off when I enter the building.
I'm about to clean up my face. Alright y'all, so I have it so I haven't contoured yet because I am not going to cream contour. Something about cream contour that really kind of gets on my nerves. I have the ABH palette. Alright y'all, like when I got it I was so excited because it was ABH. Obviously to bronze my face, guys, I'm going to be using what I always use is my e.l.f. Powder. Yo, it's like when you think like your little boo thing hitting you up, and it's not him. It's a freaking notification. Not to get off topic, but basically, the other day, I was out and about minding my business. And I just got out the club, and I needed a ride to my car because my car was on the other side. And it was freezing outside. So I know this guy or whatever, and he saw me. I was just like, yo, give me a ride. Shorty gave me a ride to my car, whatever. And he was like, you know, slip your number on my phone. I'm like, okay. You know, thank you, like, cool beans. And since then, you know, he's been hollering at me or whatever, but I just be thinking to myself, like, listen, friend. I just want to be a hoe right now. And like, he's so cute. Like, he has the cutest face. Y'all really don't understand. Like, he's so adorable. I'm going to show you guys a picture of him. So this is my new little boo thing. He's so cute. Thought he was going to see what I was talking to. No? Like, the guy that I'm talking to, like, he's super cute. That's why I can't trust him. He's too cute. What if cute guy do that? In a mess. It was really nice. So we'll see where that goes. Look at the side of my cheek, like it's so smooth. Like my Milani Even Touch Powder Foundation. I'm just gonna take the little spongy thing is not. I'm gonna take this flat angled, this face angled brush, add it under my eye just to add some warmth and color. And that white cast is gone. So now that I look like a powder face, I'm going to take my favorite blush of all time. For anyone who has been watching my videos, I'm using my Milani blush. And the color Romantic Road is numero uno because it is top water brush, and I just, that's it. So kind of get in there, and just. So I'm gonna take my my Revolution highlight, strobe highlight, or whatever. My favorite highlight. This highlight does its thing. Since I haven't done my brows yet, I'm going to do my brows right here on camera.
Alarms go off when I enter the building.
Y'all, this lip liner is trash. So basically me and you both know that this is not my color. To get a dewy look, I like to use my e.l.f. Active Post-Workout Cool Down Mist. I feel like when it comes to my videos, I kind of lose the purpose just because I'm going like insane. And if you guys have any things, like topics that you guys want me to talk about or things that you guys would like me to do, definitely comment below and I will definitely see if I could do what you guys asked. I mean, Lord, I should take my damn scarf off. I really want to thank you guys for watching my video. Thank you for the people who actually watch it every time that I post a video. And please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe right now. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. Thank you.